lost their home in the last few months due to people buying up all the lots and building homes so that the homes will sit, just so they can make a buck. Like there wasn't a ton of homes already that you could just buy and fix up, sell, and make your buck. No, you had to kill the lot. You had to kill the whole lot. Little bird on the wire, do I look a little strange to you? You ain't got nothing but a prayer, and we fight for a Maya. Look what it does to you. Will I see the day when we learn to use another way to get where we want to get and keep going? Use what we gotta use and then let it grow in. Trees mutilated and torn, no room left for you. And from your point of view, those trees were well used, and you don't know why you couldn't share. There's more than enough there. And will I see the day when we learn to use another way to get where we want to get and keep going? Use what we gotta use and then let it grow. And if we do this at the bird's request, don't multiply what doesn't need to be there. Just let the flowers breathe in the air. The ground will be soft and the trees will be shady. Food will be wholesome, and you know there will be plenty. But cars race by in the distance. Little girls laugh up high in the trees they climb. So high, you sit there above us. We rob your home, still you say to us, still you say to us. A little bird on the wire, do we look a little strange